Cinderella dress, nightgown, and then what happened?
Then we watched the Cinderella movie, and we went to bed, and then we got up, and we played a little bit in Maisie's room first, and then we went downstairs and ate pancakes, and we watched TV before the pancakes, and then we got dressed and brushed our teeth and stuff, and then we rode our blocks away to the ice skate. Then we ice skated and singed, and then got dressed. Well, first we got dressed before we rode the ice skate, and then why are you facing that?
Well, I just thought I'd get the piece for a few seconds. Because she's making noises over there trying to get her sock off. Alright, sorry. And then...
Then we ice skated and
Yeah.
singed. Then
You singing?
we built a few stuff with blocks.
Do you like those blocks? Alrighty.
And then we were ready to go home.
It was so much fun. Sleepover!